How to host a Zoom meeting for the first time? Well, it doesn't matter if it is your first or the last time. The main way to set up a Zoom meeting is same. Just open up your Zoom meeting app like this after installing it in your PC and log in into your account. This is going to be the interface. Just click on new meeting to create yourself a new meeting. Once this pops up over here, you want to select the mic you want to use and make sure you select the working mic. And from here, you want to choose the camera. Make sure you choose a working webcam and click on start. And using this mic and this webcam, your meeting will start. Wait for some time now, and just like this, my meeting has begun. Now to add or invite other people, I just need to click on participants and click on the invite option and click on copy invitation link and provide this link to anybody I want to add on this meeting. Once I give them this link, they can click on it to join, but they need to enter this password to join. So I can provide them this password as well, so they can enter the password and join the meeting. And if you want to invite somebody using their email, just click on email, click on Gmail and invite them via Gmail if you want to as well. So that's basically how you guys can start a Zoom meeting for a first time. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.